He's getting his personality now. He's going to be laughing at you guys all the time. What is she doing? You silly man.
I need you.
I know you guys are funny. He's getting tired.
Well, why'd you
What's happening over there? Your sissy's dancing for you. I see. Look at him.
That looks like Sissy. What?
Look. He's trying to dance with you. Those look so cute on you.
I got this. This thing and this, they match.
I know, it's very cute. That was from Alea?
Yeah.
We need to tell Miss Eris thank you.
I wish that we could call her.
She's at a meeting.
That was fun.
You're going to spill those, Colt. Just put them up here.
What?
Hmm.
Video too.